Nobody believes a liar. At the edge of a quiet village nestled against the rolling hills, there lived a boy named Kael. Mischief ran through his veins like a second heartbeat, and though the villagers often scolded him for his pranks, he never could resist the thrill of stirring up trouble. One bright afternoon, as the sun cast long shadows across the fields, Kael climbed onto a high rock overlooking the village square. A wicked grin spread across his face as he cupped his hands around his mouth and screamed, "Lion, lion, help, it's coming for me!" The villagers dropped their tools, their hearts pounding. Mothers clutched their children, and men grabbed whatever weapons they could, hoes, axes, even kitchen knives, before rushing toward the sound of his cries. But when they arrived, breathless and wide-eyed, they found only Kael doubled over with laughter. "Fools," he cackled, wiping tears from his eyes. "There's no lion. I only wanted to see you run." The villagers scowled, their faces dark with anger. "This is no joke, boy," growled the blacksmith, his thick fingers tightening around his hammer. "What if one day the danger is real?" Kael only shrugged, still grinning. "Then I'll shout louder." A week later, when the villagers were busy with the harvest, Kael did it again. "Lion, lion, it's going to kill me." Once more they came running, only to find him smirking, unharmed. This time the village elder, a stern woman with sharp eyes, pointed a bony finger at him. "Lie again, boy, and when true danger comes, you'll face it alone." Kael rolled his eyes. "You'll always come running," he said, too sure of himself to listen. Then, on a day when the wind carried the scent of rain, the lion did come. It slunk from the hills, its golden eyes fixed on the village. And when Kael saw it, really saw this blood turned to ice. "Lion!" he shrieked, his voice cracking with terror. "Help me, please!" But the villagers only shook their heads, muttering as they went back to their work. "Ignore him," said the baker. "He's cried wolf too many times." The boy screamed until his throat was raw, but no one came. The lion did not run, it did not hesitate. And when the villagers finally heard the silence, when they realized, too late, that this time the boy had not lied, they found only his torn clothes and the beast's bloody footprints leading back into the hills. Moral: a liar may fool others once, or even twice, but when the truth finally comes, no one will believe them.